Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a 2-pack of LED night lights with a built-in dimmer. Really excited about these. The link to this product is in my video description below. It'll take you to Amazon where you can order these yourself and read some reviews, see some photos, that sort of thing. So here's how it'll come packaged to you in an envelope or box from Amazon. Really actually pretty cool packaging. So great product photography on the front and the side showcasing the product in action and how it fits on your typical outlet. It is a plug-in nightlight, 2-pack, really cool. Again, you get on Amazon. Shows you some instructions right there. Shows you just how it is on and off. So really, yeah, really nifty little pack right here. So 4 LEDs total in it. It's 3,000 Kelvin, so that's a very warm light. And it's really solid, compact box. So really, yeah, really cool. Really impressed. Nicer box than I would have thought. Because again, you're usually just going to throw them out. So they definitely spent some time and money on that. So now let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, here we go. What do we got? Today's your lucky day. So here's a little thank you, valued customer, 10% off discount if you purchase something else from their store, which is awesome. So that's cool to have right there. So then you have your user manual. It shows you the light sensor and the brightness for the dimmer. And your 2 night lights. So let's go ahead and we'll see one right out of the package. Really happy with it. That's really cool. It looks really nice. Yeah, it really seems really solid. It's just definitely made out of plastic, but nothing to complain about here. It looks really good. So you can see, let me go look at the instructions again, but I'm going to guess to the right. Okay, to the left is full brightness where it's set to, and then if you turn it to the right, if you're looking at it, that'll be lower. So let's go ahead, we'll plug it in and see if we can set this up here. Okay, I just plugged in my extension cord. So we have too much light here, so I'm going to go ahead and try to dim the lights, and we'll see if it will activate. Alright, so the lights are dimmed. It's still not dark enough for my studio, so I'm going to go ahead and just cover the sensor so we can see the light. That's really a great nightlight. It's like the perfect amount of glow right now. Now we'll dim it. That's all the way off. You can see it gets brighter and brighter. Off. Just barely lit. It looks really cool. It's really a soft light. However, they diffuse that within the night lights. This would be perfect for a bathroom or a hallway or any area you want to light up. A stairwell, depending on what your needs are. Really a cool product. Really excited about that for a night light. For a couple of bucks at Amazon, you can't go wrong. Again, this is a 2-pack. So really happy with this product. And yeah, if you're looking for a night light, you definitely want to check these out. Really cool. Love that they got that dimmer, so depending on your needs, you can adjust it so it's not too bright. It'll just be right for you. So yeah, really happy with them. Go ahead, check out the link in my video description below. Feel free to like, comment, share, hit that sub button if you haven't done that yet. Love to talk with you guys. Thank you so much for being here, your support on my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next product review video. Thank you and have a great day.